With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, the curve between square of frequency of oscillation and length of simple pendulum is, options are straight line, parabolic, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, so we have to tell that what will be the curve will represent between the square of frequency of oscillation and the length of simple pendulum. Now as we know that the time period of the oscillation of a simple pendulum is given as t is equals to 2 pi under root of L upon G, and the frequency is nothing but inverse of the time period. So from here we get frequency coming out as 1 upon 2 pi under root G upon L, or what we can write it as frequency square is equals to 1 upon 2 pi into G upon L. So from here we can easily see that frequency square is inversely proportional to the length. Okay, so this will represent the hyperbola and its curve will be drawn like this. Okay, so if this axis is our frequency square axis and this is our length, so the curve will be like this. So it is a hyperbola. So from options we see our option 4 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.